Hello, class of 2024. I'm Mr. Esgro, one of the college counselors here at Archbishop Malloy. And today I just want to do a brief introduction to Naviance, which is our college guidance information and application system. We're actually able to send all of your information to colleges electronically. And as a student and for parents as well, it's a great resource to help you do research for college and learn a little bit about yourself and do some career exploration as well. So I'm going to do an example now of how to actually log into your account, which is activated, and then I'll do a brief overview of the program. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen, and I'm going to go to Blackbaud. So on my Blackbaud, now your student Blackbaud looks different than my Blackbaud, but basically the tabs are similar. So along the top ribbon, you're going to look for this Resources tab. And then again, my information here will be different, but on the lower left-hand side of your Resources tab, you're going to see Naviance Student. Click on that, and it should take you to this page. So this is your Naviance login page. You're going to click Student, and then you're going to click Continue with Single Sign-On option. You must be logged into your Google account for Malloy, so your standard.org account, for this to work. All of the accounts are linked to your standard.org account. So if you're on your personal Gmail or another email address, you need to change over and be on your standard.org account. All right, so once you click single sign-on option, it should take you in, and your account is going to look something like this. So obviously my name is, as I said, Mr. Esgro, so mine says Demo Esgro. Yours should say your name. As you're going through, you will see there's a bunch of different tabs. So you have the Home tab, the Colleges tab, Careers, About Me, and My Planner. And we encourage you to dive right into this. So if you go into the About Me tab, you can go into your account and you can see different information here. If there's something that you'd like to change, like a nickname or ethnicity information, anything like that, you can change. If your address has changed, you do have to notify the school of that, but you can change your address and things in here as well. Going into other parts of the About Me tab, so you have My Stuff, you can see resume building, test scores when you have them, a portfolio, but I want to focus on the assessments. So there's several assessments here. So again, I got to this by going to About Me, My Assessments, and now I'm on Do What You Are. So there's several assessments here that you have the ability to take as a student. There's the Do What You Are, the My Advantage, the Learning Styles Inventory, and these are all assessments that essentially help you figure out about, more about you as a person, how you learn, what environments you might learn best in. It could even suggest, once you take some of these assessments, it could even suggest, based off of your learning profiles and how you learn, some jobs or careers that might be a good fit for you. So again, it's not going to tell you you're definitely going to be this thing, but it can help guide you along the way in your career exploration. So that's the About Me tab. You can explore different careers if you want to look up, what does a electrical engineer make in Georgia? You can look something like that up in here as well. Let's go over to the Colleges tab. So in the My Colleges tab, you can see a few things. One, college visits that are upcoming. In the spring, we don't do too many visits, but in the fall, we have visits all the time. So you can see we do have an upcoming visit with Hofstra on May 17th. In the fall, this will be packed with visits that you can sign up for as a student here. You also have this ability to search for schools. So again, going through the College tab, you can do colleges I'm thinking about. You can add schools to your list. You can see I've added a few here. And then you also have access to these search options. So one of our favorites is the Super Match. And with this, you're able to put in different information, and it will actually bring out different schools based off the information that you put in. And you can start, playing around with these search tools right now as a student. I think it's a good idea to have an idea, let's see, if you were to pull up SUNY Polytechnic, for example, is a school that I had listed here. What's going on at SUNY Polytechnic? What's it like? How hard is it to get in? That's the acceptance rate. How many students have we had apply there? You can pull up this graph to see what kind of grades students had that were admitted to SUNY Polytechnic. So it's a great resource to start doing some research on college. and it's never too early to start researching. We're here to help you if you have questions. So you can stop by the college office. If you're in school, we're in room 210, and Brother Kevin Brogan is in room 204. Myself and Mr. McGinnis are in room 210. And then we also have different events throughout the year. And now that you're on Naviance, when we send emails, you'll receive emails from the college department directly to you through your Naviance account. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, please feel free to stop in and speak with us, and welcome to Naviance.